Master in Supply Chain delivers an end-to-end holistic vision of global supply chains on the triple vertex of organization, processes, and technologies. The added value of our program is based on three pillars. The first one is our professors, who are either executives, consultants, or service providers that help us to deliver the theory based on real business cases of practical examples. The second one is our agreement with CSCMP, the Global Association of Supply Chain Professionals, that gives the students the opportunity to have a global network in supply chain. And the third one is the recognition that we have that we are the second in the global ranking of QS. In order to prepare students for real business challenges, we develop a blended methodology together with the theory that combines hands-on participation and interactive learnings like role plays with the students. The key skills that the students acquire are three: strategical thinking, risk and resilient management, and change leadership and influential skills in other functions. Our Supply Chain Master is designed to ensure current talent market requirements. We prepare students for both ensuring individual contributor positions or team management positions in any supply chain function. Barcelona is the perfect logistic spot with a top international airport and port where you will enjoy a truly professional global community while feeling like at home.